5 episodes, one tiny dream. Today, we're finally opening the front door. Mini Edit family, we made it. When we started this journey, all we had was a simple shell and a big imagination. Since then, we've built a cozy living room, a beautiful kitchen, a dreamy bedroom, and today we're finishing the final 2 places, the balcony and the tiniest bathroom in the whole house. But that's not all. Every room came with a tiny surprise gift for our homeowner, and today she'll finally get to unwrap every single one. This series had another special mission too. We set out to grow this amazing community one miniature at a time. Because of you, we are now at 120 subscribers. Thank you for every view, every comment, every like, and every person who believed in this little dream. So grab your favorite snacks, get comfortable, and let's finish the dollhouse together. It's time for the grand finale. You know what's funny? Before I started making dollhouses, I thought building a house was mostly about walls, windows, and a cute little couch. Turns out, it's about 1,000 tiny decisions. Seriously. Every time I thought I was finished, I noticed something else. This wall needs paint. That chair needs to move over just a little. The balcony needs plants. The bathroom needs tiles. Suddenly, one tiny project becomes 50 tiny projects. And honestly, life can be like that too. Sometimes we look at someone else's finished house or their finished dream and think, wow, they made that look so easy. But we usually don't see all the little decisions that got them there. The late nights, the changes of plans, the mistakes, the moments where you have to peel something off and start all over because, well, it looked better in your imagination than it did in real life. I've definitely had a few of those moments in this build. One thing this dollhouse reminded me is that a strong house isn't built all at once. It's built one tiny piece at a time. So regardless of whether we're doing it right or doing it wrong, the Bible tells us in Proverbs 16, verse 3, "Commit thy works unto the Lord, and thy thoughts shall be established." So whether it's one wall, one room, one tiny plant, one ridiculously small pillow that somehow took 20 minutes to make, and somehow all those little pieces become something you're proud of. This series has kind of been like that too. When I uploaded the first video, I had no idea where it would go. But we're here, 5 episodes later with a finished home and a growing creative family. Every view, every comment, every subscriber has been another little brick in this community we've been building together. So whether you're building your dollhouse, a business, a new hobby, or you're trying to build a better tomorrow, don't get discouraged because it feels slow. The beautiful things are usually built one tiny piece at a time. Now, let's finish this house. I think our homeowner is ready to move in. All right, mini editors, we are here on the 2nd floor and we're getting ready to complete the homeowner's pocket bathroom and her patio area. I've already created some items, so you're just going to watch me place them in. I didn't get video of that detail because I had a lot going on around me. So I just went ahead and created the pieces and you're going to watch me put them in. I'm going to start with the toilet. I'm going to install the toilet and I did better this time. The toilet is a really complicated thing to make and I'm going to say it took me probably about 45 minutes to an hour to make, and I also made the sink. I put a little tack down at the bottom to show that, make it, for realism. But I had this was really small, smaller than any sink that I've ever made before, so. This season, color will have meaning, silence will have a voice, and every room will feel alive. We spent this season building homes. Next season, we're building something harder. Mood rooms. The next story begins.